Okay. Uh, Logical execution, extended warehouse management, integration, logical execution, uh, SAP integration, okay, integration. This is setup for EWM connectivity. This is a setup for EWM connectivity. Okay. Generate distribution model for model configure generate distribution model ERP to SAP ECP EWM. Warehouse number is W99. Logical system of EWM. Logical system of EWM is this one. This is a distribution model view. This is what distribution model you have operated in the previous step. Okay, just click on execute. Okay, ultimately you have to get this result. If you are not getting this one, then this what you are saying is not getting, then your distribution model is paid, the connectivity is got paid. That means we can't distribute anything from ECC to EWM for your year. See, this logical system is sender, this is the receiver for your warehouse. These are the ABAP object types and all. Okay, don't worry. And these are the receiver. If you are not getting this result, then your your connection is failed. Then you have to check it. You have to check our distribution model. How I checked in the previous, that you go to 64, then open your distribution model, just confirm whether your warehouse is present or not. Warehouse is present, then your distribution model will work. Okay. Distribution model. The finally last step for ECS connection. Okay, that is maybe the people who are working in MM, they may be knowing control key, order configuration, control key purchase order. What does it mean? Manju, Sai, working in MM. Manju, is it Manju?
No, this is Sai.
Sai, can you bit louder, please?
Yeah, when we create any inbound deliveries regarding to the PO, so it goes to the EWM system. So when we do the EWM system, that will get reflected in the confirmation controls. So the inbound delivery number we can able to see that in the confirmation.
Just a confirmation notification to EWM system, no?
Yeah.
Just no, not notification. You'll tell the ECC notification to ECC whether we are what it will control the following document after purchase
Yeah.
order. What we have to do, whether we have to create inbound delivery, whether we have to create GR, whether we have to create inbound delivery and distributor to the EWM for the GR. It is like a controlling for the following documents. Controlling on the following document it is actually the confirmation whether required any confirmation. What is inbound delivery? Inbound delivery is nothing but the confirmation. I was creating the purchase order today. Maybe delivery date is on 3rd of May. 3rd of May. Okay. You are creating purchase order today and delivery date is on 3rd of May. But vendor send the confirmation through fax or through phone or through mail or whatever it may be, through EDI, whatever it. Then once he send the confirmation, maybe send the confirmation that he is going to deliver the goods by 3rd or 2nd or 5th. Or that confirmation will be entered in the system. That confirmation is nothing but the inbound delivery.
Just the AB and LA lines we receive from the vendor, right?
Sorry. Yeah. No,
AB and LA lines received by the vendor, and it will be confirmed. I mean, it will be populated in the
yes. That is in the configuration control key that can be defined OB, OA like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Not getting to that in detail. Just you have to create a assign configuration control key for your purchase order. So just let me open for if you open it, just you will want to know SPR OMG logic execution. Otherwise, it will not going to default in the purchase order. If you not assigned here, you not configured here, it will not going to defaulted in the purchase order. Otherwise, you have to manually set up the configuration control in the purchase order. SPR logic execution. Shipping. Shipping, deliveries, defined order confirmation, deliveries. Define order confirmation for inbound deliveries. Okay. What's our plant? I'll go with the section plant. (9099). Okay. How this came here? I'll go to inventories. Category purchase order. Purchase order. PO order type. PO order type is NB. You want in the company, you can make it for a default for any purchase order document type. You can make it. Like in World Company, it is a EP. You can there if you open it, you can see EP. There. NB. Okay. Plant will give us 9099. 9099. I out of three store location, I want only order confirmation for only for these two. Order confirmations, this defaulted should be there. The confirmation should be made for only for these two. Confirmation is required. Confirmation required means inbound delivery. We have to create inbound delivery. Or ready to drop one. Available for sale one. Okay. I want confirmation for only for these two store location. That confirmation control key this means this purchase. You can't receive the goods. You can't receive the. For example, for this warehouse, we can receive the goods without an inbound delivery. What will see? What I want the question here is my question is WM01. What does it mean?
So it is not at all an EWM warehouse management system, but still we are giving that confirmation.
See, whether it is a EWM management system, don't care whether it is you are receiving goods in ECC or in EWM, whatever it may be.
Okay, with the help of inbound delivery only.
But you, for all the three store location, inbound delivery is must.
Correct. Yeah. Without so if we remove that AN L1 LI for WM1, so there is no need of EWM.
Yes, no need of inbound delivery. After creation inbound delivery, whether it got distributed inbound delivery also you take. After creation of inbound delivery, we can see in this step. All the store location required inbound delivery. All the store location is required inbound delivery. The order confirmation is required, is must. But
if we
after inbound delivery, who will decide where we have to take the goods, whether in ECC or EWM? This one will decide. To the class
EWM specific parameters will decide.
Yes, parameters. These parameters. This one will decide whether your warehouse is decentralized or EWM. How only you have doubt that only your plant and store location is there. How but EWM parameters only warehouse is there. No, warehouse is you are here. These two parameters linked to warehouse. Warehouse is defined whether it is EWM managed or WM managed.